So today we'll talk about generalities of the new CEBIS touch monitor. First thing is we have two screens. We have what we call road travel mode as well as our working mode. So you can see different menus depending on if we're on the road or in the field. Some nice things about the road mode is if you get the rear view camera, you can have that displayed in your monitor. If you tap it, you can have the rear view camera show up. If you're trying to hitch onto a wagon or just backing up, you can have that full screen. If we go into the field working mode, we have a lot of different things that we can touch with the monitor to adjust. First one is our job counter. We can have 1 through 20 jobs, or if you get the task management, you can load up jobs from like Trimble, Agley, or whatever into here to have more detailed looking jobs. The chopper icon you see is green. That will show what this is here, where you can change your different settings on the machine. If you get cameras, so like your rear camera, you can have pop up there if you want to look at the stubble of the forage harvester, if you're making sure you're picking up the crop, or when you're backing up to something else. You can also make it go full screen to have a really good visibility as well. We do offer with cameras, you can have rear backup camera, you can have the Profi camera on the spout, or with autofill you can have the autofill show up there, or as well as one of these 3 boxes. So in these 3 boxes here on the side, you can adjust to whatever you would like to see in them. So if you want, so this is setting up our header heights and flotation. This is just a normal display 1. You can change what you see on display 1. So you have plenty of different things. So if you want to see fuel level on there, you can have fuel level, and then always a double arrow gets rid of the screen. And see there you can have fuel level. And the bottom one, just for example, we are showing we have the new ActiSiler 37 showing the details of what it's doing with fuel level, temperature, how much is left, if it's active or not active, that type of thing. The main things to look at here is in the working menu is we've got our different things we can change. So there's many ways that you can change this number. The first way is you can move the arrow back and forth by sliding your finger on the screen. You can use the plus/minus key to change the length of cut, or you can tap on the number and type in the length of cut that you want. And then the last one is over on the right hand side of the armrest, the back button. It looks like a knife cutting through some lines. You can manually adjust the length of cut there without having to touch the screen. So if you're going through the field and want to just adjust the length of cut a little bit, you can do that from the buttons on the side. And then you can see the screen goes away. Across the bottom, we'll get into our hotkey functions, our favorite menu. You can see your ground speed at the bottom. You can see if you're in first gear or second gear. As well as you can see with a full drive machine, if the green tires are green, that means it's in two-wheel drive. If the back tires turn green, it's in four-wheel drive. You can see your park, and then you'll have all the other options that you can see when they're activated. When they're activated, they will turn green.